Building a sustainable long-term food supply. Building a long-term food supply for emergencies is a prudent and essential aspect of disaster preparedness. Whether you're preparing for natural disasters, economic crises, or any other unforeseen events, having a reliable source of sustenance can mean the difference between survival and hardship. We will explore the importance of emergency food storage and practical steps to build a sustainable long-term food supply. The significance of emergency food storage. Mitigating hunger. A well-prepared food supply ensures you and your loved ones won't go hungry during extended emergencies when access to food is limited. Self-reliance. Relying on your stored food reduces dependence on external resources and gives you a sense of self-reliance. Peace of mind. Knowing you have a sufficient food supply provides peace of mind and helps reduce stress during crises. 2. Assessing your needs. Calculate calories. Determine how many calories your family needs daily and multiply by the number of days you want to prepare for. Consider dietary preferences. Take into account dietary restrictions, allergies, and preferences when selecting food items. 3. Choosing emergency food. Non-perishable foods. Opt for non-perishable foods with long shelf lives. Examples include canned goods, dried fruits, rice, pasta, and grains. Dehydrated and freeze-dried foods. These items have extended shelf lives and retain most of their nutritional value. MREs, meals ready to eat. MREs are self-contained, pre-packaged meals designed for emergency use. Home canned foods. Home canning allows you to preserve fresh fruits, vegetables, and meats for long-term storage. IV. Proper storage conditions. Temperature. Store food in a cool, dry place, ideally between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius to 21 degrees Celsius. Protection from light. Keep food containers away from direct sunlight, which can cause food to deteriorate. Moisture control. Ensure a moisture-free environment to prevent mold and spoilage. Pest prevention. Use airtight containers to deter pests and rodents from infiltrating your food supply. Versus rotation and inventory. FIFO system, first in, first out. Organize your storage so that you use the oldest items first to maintain freshness. Regular inspections. Periodically check your food supply for expiration dates and signs of spoilage. V. Water supply. Water is vital. Alongside food, maintain a reliable water supply for drinking and rehydrating food, and for personal hygiene. Water purification. Include water purification methods and supplies, such as filters, tablets, or bleach, in your emergency kit. 7. Bulk purchases and budgeting. Buy in bulk. Purchasing food in bulk can be cost-effective and allows you to store large quantities. Budgeting. Plan your emergency food storage budget carefully, allocating funds over time for long-term sustainability. 8. Diversification. Variety is key. Ensure your emergency food supply includes a diverse range of foods to meet nutritional needs and avoid palate fatigue. Special diets. If someone in your family has special dietary needs, accommodate them with suitable storage options. X. Labeling and organization. Clear labeling. Clearly label containers with contents, expiration dates, and storage instructions. Inventory list. Maintain an inventory list to keep track of your stored items and their quantities. Conclusion. Building a long-term food supply for emergencies is a responsible and proactive measure that can safeguard you and your family during challenging times. By carefully assessing your needs, selecting the right foods, ensuring proper storage conditions, and implementing rotation and inventory management, you can create a reliable food supply that provides peace of mind and enhances your disaster preparedness. Remember that preparedness is an ongoing process, and regular maintenance of your food storage is essential to its effectiveness in times of need.